See ya. Hello everyone. We are on our way to the craziest party right here in Budapest, Hungary. There are like thousands of people gathered here in front of the parliament for a massive celebration, and thousands are still on their way. And all this is to celebrate the new Prime Minister of Hungary, Peter Magyar. You can feel it in the air. Everyone is full of energy and ready to vibe. And we are one of those vibers. It's completely insane out here and so much fun. People of Budapest definitely knows how to party hard. Kids, adults, young, old, doesn't matter who you are. Everyone is enjoying this moment and that's what we call living the life. And the party goes on. Cheers, Hungary! Don't forget, keep dreaming and keep living. Wislat, goodbye.